to buy USDT on KuCoin with Naira. So that's the tutorial you're going to be watching shortly. Okay, so when you launch your KuCoin exchange accounts, this is the first interface you're going to see. Okay, this is the home page. Then the next thing you have to do is to click on trade. Trade is at the bottom of your screen. Then you click on fiat. Fiat is at the top of your screen. Then you click on fast trade and select P2P. Okay, then what you do next is you click on that USD button. You see that draw down where USD is. You click on it. We're going to switch from USD to NGN. NGN is a Naira currency symbol. So instead of searching for it, you just quickly type it and select. Okay, so we no longer have USD here. What we have there is NGN. Okay, NGN instead of USD. Next, you click on payment method. So we want to filter our options. Okay, so I will just select a bank just to make everything quicker. Select a bank like PalmPay and I'll click on confirm. But you have other options too, but I'll go with PalmPay and click on confirm. Then I'm trying to buy like 10 USDT or more. 10 or more USDT, okay? So what I will do next is to click on amount and I will type in, let's say, 15,000. 15,000. Then I will now look at all these merchants, P2P merchants on the platform. Now what I'm looking at is, I'm looking at the number of orders each merchant has made, okay? I'm also looking at their rating, their percentage rating. Do you understand? So major exchange has 1,773 orders, Empress has 10,374 orders, and AbleGod has 44 orders, okay? So I'm going with the one who has the highest number of orders and the highest percentage rating, okay? Which happens to be Empress Be Spicy, okay? So that's what I'm going with. So I'll click on the buy button for Empress. Now it's asking how many USDT do you want to buy? Then I will type in the number of USDT I want to buy. But before we do that, I will just have a look at a few details of Empress's profile, okay? This is very important. You have to read the instruction of the merchant you are about to deal with, okay? You have to read the instructions and know what he or she wants from you regarding the transaction you are about to begin. You understand? So how many USDT do you want to buy? Let me type in the Naira equivalent of the USDT I want to buy. Let's say 15,000. 15,000 will give me 10.247 USDT. I will go with, let me see, I will go with like 17,000. Yes, it's okay. So I'll click on buy now on the buy now button. Then the next thing is to click on pay, the button, pay, click on it. Then I will now copy the details of the merchant to make payment into her account. Okay, so you can see the full name and the bank account number. So I will just proceed to my bank and make the payment. So I'm already trying to make the payment already. Payment successful. So 10,000 Naira sent successfully. Then I'll go back and click on the chart icon. As you can see, the chart icon on the KuCoin P2P platform for the merchant I'm dealing with. Then, because the merchant said I should upload proof of payment once I'm done. Okay, so you have to follow that. So I'm about uploading the proof of payment, the screenshot I took. Payment made. Kindly release the USDT. Thanks. Then we'll go back and click on payment complete. That button, payment complete, is a must. You have to click on it. Okay. So it says awaiting seller's confirmation. Your USDT should arrive within 11 minutes 25 seconds. Awaiting seller's confirmation. So you keep your eye on that awaiting seller's confirmation. It will be changed once the, okay, can you see? Transaction complete, successful. 11.613608 USDT has been added to your funding account. So the merchant has successfully released the USDT I paid for. Okay. So next you click on check, and here you are. Here you are. You can see the USDT I bought already in my account under funding wallet. Funding wallet. You can see it over there. I hope this is cool. So guys, this is how you buy USDT on KuCoin's P2P platform. This is how you buy USDT on KuCoin P2P platform using Nigerian Naira. Okay, so in the next tutorial, we're going to watch how to make withdrawals from KuCoin.